Hello, Gardener. You're getting a lot of seed magazines coming at you and you don't know who's good and you're trying to figure out the vendors and what to look for. That way you get something really good and guaranteed. I'm going to help you navigate through that. And if you go to this end of this video, I will tell you who my favorite vendors are and why. Okay, you got all your stuff picked out, all ready to go, who is going to be good and what you would like in plants. So go to their website, look for key things such as certifications of non-GMO and organic, confirmed by USDA. The other thing to look for is customer service. Do they have the availability to get back to you quickly with answers? Reviews of people that have bought their seeds, all of that being there. Then the most important, when you want to read the same thing that you picked out of the magazine, you go in and it gives you a ton of information on how to grow it. That means they know what they're doing. That's who you go to. Now let's talk about who my favorites are. High Mowing is USDA certified organic, legit. They will love to answer any of your questions too when you got them. They are like us geeks over plants, all about it. When you finally get a seed packet, they have amazing information on the back to help you grow. It's all right there. So fantastic. The other thing that I like about them and what I order specifically from them is lettuce seeds. The lettuce seeds that I order are all pelleted, which is really cool. It has a coating around the seed so you're not dealing with it trying to, plant it. It goes into the soil, it's in there and you can spread it out easily. It's made for the machines who are farmers, but you can also order small as being a gardener from your own backyard. So the ones that I like, there's different parts of the season. You get stuff that can handle a little bit cooler in spring, till you get hot summer, and then you get the handle dew. That's the hybrids. And the hybrids are not modified like the bad GMOs. It's just cross plants in order to breed the best one to be resistant to certain things, so it's okay. My other company that I really like is going to be for hot peppers is Totally Tomatoes. They have everything you could possibly want and then some. Dracula, those are so flavorful and they're purple. Highly suggest getting them. And let's talk about a different category. Arbico Organics. They are more about doing organic growing methods and being more sustainable with their products. They have bugs, including green lacewings. That's a gardener's best friend. They eat all the things you don't want. They're indigenous here in America. They don't overtake, and they help pollinate when they're full grown because that's what they want to help. That's what they want to go for food. So super awesome. Michigan Gardener. He's a little bit smaller as a company. He started off as a YouTube content creator, one of his fellow gardeners. He got so well trusted, he bought a seed company and worked with farmers that only do heirlooms, so non-GMO, certified right there. Customer service, I've actually reached out to them personally to talk about cover crop seeds. I wanted to buy it in bulk, and they said only at this time we have that, and they got to me within a day. That's how fast they are, and they're good about customer service. The other thing too is their seed pack information is solid. You get everything, and they do it off of being a gardener, not a farmer. So that's really great with spacing and all of that. I hope all this information helped you out. Happy gardening.